Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is Friday, July 8th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir down 1 cent at $10.17. Post-market down by 3 cents only. So let's look at what we have here. So we are basically continuing into our congestion zone. No, into our channel. This is the channel right here. So we have been in this channel for a long while, actually. May 12 starting to come back up, and slowly we are coming back up, and we are respecting this channel. So as long as we are respecting the channel, then it's fine. It's fine. We can catch the ride. We can catch that. And also within this channel, we seem to be going a little bit steeper here. So that's interesting. So we are making higher lows within the channel. So maybe we are going to come right here and break that channel and go even steeper. So that's a possibility. That's a possibility. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So first hour of the day, so this was a pullback in itself, I would say. We came back very close to 982, and then we shot back up for 2 hours, came back down, and we are stabilizing pretty much where we were yesterday. The stock is taking a little bit of a pause. Stochastic is still over 60, so this means that it still has power to continue higher if it wants to. Coming back on the daily chart, stochastic still a very strong 92, super powerful. Everything is great. So let's just enjoy this. We have been waiting for a long time. This is the second day in a row that we have been breaking this downward resistance. So we are going sideways. We are still above that downward resistance. So that's pretty good in itself. It would be nice to go if we would start moving away from that purple line. It has been there for so long that it would be nice to get away from it. But all things considered, we cannot complain too much. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening, a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday. Unless you are a member with this specific tier, in that case, we are going to talk on Sunday. Have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.